This is Latanya and I'm coming to you with another short 3-minute video. This is the enclosed lace closure sew and weave using blowout texture from Glam Suite. And as the caption stated at the bottom, this is the client's third install reusing her same bundles and lace closure. This video you're looking at is the hair in its natural state. As you can see, the lace closure, the hair on the closure is still intact. She keeps her hair very well. So yeah, her lace closure, not everyone could reuse their same lace closure, but depends on if you the type to scratch the hair out the closure or anything like that. But this is her third time reusing her same lace closure and her same bundles. And this is some still shots coming up. You'll see me flip-flop between still shots and videos throughout the video. And this is a comparison, natural state versus flat iron. And another thing I'm going to say about this technique, the enclosed method, I prefer this over the wefts closed off at the top, simply because I think this one gives a more natural look as opposed to using the wefts to close the sewing off. And my clients prefer this way as well. So this is the technique of an enclosed sewing weave. And the bangs you're looking at, all wefts. The closure is placed at the crown area. The bangs are all wefts. And she reused her same bangs, so I didn't have to recut the bangs or anything like that. It's the same bangs from her last install. Still shot, video view. So you'll see more still shots after this video. You'll also see website info if you want more information on the blowout texture, because it is available. So as always, thanks for watching.